Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video we're going to learn how to contact Instagram. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Head over to settings and then click on help. It will show you different options where you can contact Instagram, but I would recommend to head over on report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking. It will take you to the page where you can contact Instagram about the problem that you have been facing. So let's say your note feature are not showing and you want to contact Instagram to report this problem. Here you just need to type these things and then click on send at the top right corner. There you go, you have successfully contacted the Instagram about the problem that you have been facing. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to contact Instagram. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.